In this video, let me show you how to install the servo motor to the gantry support. Normally we have two parts. For this one is a support for this. After we install the motor to the gantry support, and we let the helical gear and the rack meet well. Then we put the support to make sure they connect well, not loose. So first we install this one, and you can see here we use the long screw. So we will install these 4 screws to be here. Now I will put the screws.
Okay.
Now we have put the motor installed, and then we install this one. We have 2 small screws to install this support to the gantry support. So for this part, we can tie it directly. This part. After that, we will try to adjust these 2 pins to move the motor up. We use a smaller screw. This we just adjust these 2 screws at the same time. We adjust these 2 screws up until the helical gear and rack meet well. Meet well means there is no gap between them, like this. Like this. After that, we will install the 4 big screws.
Okay.
After that, we will install these 4 screws. After we install this, tighten all these 4 screws, we just push and drag the gantry support to make sure the gear and the rack has no gap between them. If there's no gap, then we tighten all these 4 screws. We tighten all these 4 screws. And after that, we will adjust this wall to let the to let the small screw to touch the plate. After we tighten all the screws, then the motor install will be finished. And after that, we just connect the motor keyboard and encoder keyboard to be here. That's total motor install.